Hello everyone, it is me again, and this is for the second video tutorial, which is the dry run invitation link to the speaker. Right? So after you have the reply from the speakers from the company, you will have to make an invitation link. So let's go to the Outlook, and you can click on this calendar icon, and then you can go to this top ribbon and find this new Teams meeting icon. Right, click on the icon and you will be redirected to this page. Alright, so what you have to do next is go to the email template, copy everything, and you can go to this page again and paste everything. Alright, next what you have to do is you have to copy this, right click and copy hyperlink, and you have to paste it here. So you paste it with the source. Alright, and then you delete here, you don't need this anymore, and make sure that you have put everything here with our standardized font, which is ITC Galliard, with the font size of 11. And then for the link, make sure you change the font color to blue darker 1, blue accent 1 darker 25%. And then don't forget to include your signature. Insert signature TFX 5.0. Alright, so you are not done yet. Make sure you include also this subject. Copy and paste, and don't forget to change the company name or the webinar title, and also make sure that you check everything: the subject, the location, the start time 13, so you have to find it. It should be around 3, and then this one is also 13, and it's about 1 hour length. And once you've done that, go to 2. This is the most thing that you have to do, which is the required will be the speaker's email. The optional, you can find it here. Go top, and this is the optional. Copy everything and paste. Alright, so don't forget to include your PIC's email too. Okay, and then click OK. Click OK. Alright, so there you go. And then you just have to click send, and that's it for the dry run invitation email.